Hello, we are Group 2. Today we will evaluate the integration of John Holland in terms of three aspects. In the institutions aspect, responded by the trade agreement between Australia and China and a 50 billion government program. In terms of roads, railways, and ports, company further strengthened the economic relations. John Holland scheduled and integrated the engineering and environmental institutions. Meanwhile, John Holland doing their building project with social public welfare program.
In terms of resource, as one of Australia's leading engineering corporations, John Holland has professional engineering skill to ensure certainty across technical, advanced structure, mechanical, electrical, process, and industry projects, spanning the chemical, agriculture, natural gas, and metalliferous sectors. It has good reputation for delivering the technically complex and challenging projects with skill and innovation. Besides, John Holland executive leadership team has significant expertise spanning decades of experience in the industry. With oversight on strategy and operations, the leadership team can be a valuable resource for company which contributes to one of the reasons for success.
John Holland has a strong value chain for its wide range of operations and comprehensive services. The business is the only private rail operator in Australia which cooperates with the Victoria government. By the way, the business is the largest in-house tunneling operator in Australia and processed tunnels across 7 countries. In terms of services, the business cooperating with several states undertake maintenance with public transport, so it has strong value chains and good perspective.
Australia's buoyant economy, growing population, and increased trade footprint are driving the country's need for investment in infrastructure. As an underpinning for economic growth, infrastructure development is a priority for the Australian government. Infrastructure planning and innovative financing plays an important role in the public policy. Australia welcomes foreign investment. The country's strong economic credentials, transparent business environment, and the substantial pipeline of the project provide the ideal conditions for the companies to finance, construct, own, and operate major infrastructure assets.
As Suzy introduced, with the better infrastructure, the market of commercial properties in surroundings will develop faster, so the industry like hotel investment, residential building development will be more promising. CCCC will help John Holland in these markets in some aspects. For example, the subsidiary will obtain more than $400 million to penetrate in these markets, so the company will be more competitive when investing in programs in the future. Moreover, the trend of urbanization in Australia, especially in the state of South Australia, can provide substantial opportunities for the subsidiary to grow in these markets.